Don't worry, I take my work very seriously.
We're gonna see. Even if there is dust on the phone, put it on top, pull the dust removing tape, swipe, and peel. Now swipe the edges, and as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides, 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and extremely durable.
What the?
Perfect. So if you like this product, click on the yellow card below to purchase yours now.